Again, once again, good morning to everyone, and thank you, Prof. Dr. Shinwari, for your wonderful and kind of a thought-provoking lecture. Now, as we will proceed, the second part of this day, the second part of the day, which will comprise of actually two lectures. First one will be we will discuss about the different conversion technologies, especially biotechnology, and discuss the relevant ethics around that. And the second part, we will discuss some specific case studies, and we'll discuss. And I really want it to be some kind of interactive. So let you you people also speak. All the participants, I request, and especially in the second part, let's discuss them. Let's discuss the case studies, and let's discuss the ethics about it. So we will try to keep it as interactive as possible. But anyways, beginning on the second part, the dual use of biotechnology and ethics. So we will move ahead, and these are the contents. The ethics, we will discuss some interesting topics. That is the life extension technologies. What are the life extension technologies, and what potential harm or benefit it may have in the future? Then we will time and again there was discussion on genetic engineering. So we will discuss that as well. Synthetic biology and other contemporary technologies. What are the benefits? What is the dual use actually related or inherent, sort of inherent in these technologies? And we will study the some examples, and after that we will close the lecture, and we'll break for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will specifically start some case studies, which I was earlier referring to, that we let it be very interactive. So ethics of life extension, and it is a question. It's a question for you people. It's a question for all the participants, for the scientists, for the ethicists, that should technologies that radically extend the human lifespan be allowed to be employed. At the end of the this lecture, I would really request you to answer this question: that whether we should allow the life extension technologies, or whether you should have some regulation or something. So I hope that you will answer it in the chat box. There was an estimation by some scientist named Robert Fritas, that if we are going to eliminate 50% of the medical preventable conditions, then the life expectancy will increase up to 150 years. But if you 90% treat the problems of the human diseases that you can prevent, so the life expectancy could extend around 500 years. And at 99%, if we are going to solve the 99% of our medical problems, then we will be able to live about 1,000 years. So imagine if we sort all of our problems, then we could be becoming immortal, kind of immortal being or something. And the biotechnology, and together with the all conversion technology, has the ability that they can actually eliminate through genetic engineering or through stem cell biology or whatever is the technology. So you can treat practically the causes of the death. So eventually, if you treat all causes of the death, so what remains? So you will become immortal being, immortal kind of a being. Moving ahead, and related to that, what is gerontology? Gerontology is the study and the relevant study that that studies the
Gerontology has an
slowing down
studio
and
relevante.
slowing it down, preventing aging, and reversing aging in both humans and animals. So those people are called as biomedical gerontologists. Just to be technical, the definition is that
The technical and
it is also known
definition
as
gerontology anyway.
gerontology is a subdiscipline of biogerontology that aims to slow, prevent, and even reverse aging in humans or animals. What gerontology do, or what it entails, is to address the problems of the elderly people, addressing their physical harm,
Gerontology hanesan resolve problema sa ema ho idadi adulto sira.
social problem that actually contribute to the aging.
Iprobui ba iha prevene be
What could be
aging
the strategies to
in one dini.
prevent aging, for example? We
Unsta
have
at
already
to
covered some
belle
strategies
pura
the
mora
same
sernebe
for
pra
the
atu
function
apara tia be
of the technology.
proses permandini ni one.
Or you the degrading organ, you can replace
Kasi
them with some superior material,
troka
or you
organ
can replace them
organ
with
musir isin lolong
you
ini.
continue to replacing them, or continue when some part goes damaged or something, you replace it.
Mahira ko ni
And
parter manebe que
so this can
kita
be
estrago
considered.
depois berhalu
Then there are
transplantação
what
da
is
ini.
called the CESS,
Mutia
that is for engineered nucleic acids,
inisiativo
which is a range of proposed regenerative medical therapies, either planned or currently
nisan
in
sa
development for the periodic
ambito
repair
susinusta
of age-related
voltens na
diseases,
nini
tissue
estrategia
regeneration,
ida engenharia
and other
husi
studies. Like periodically, your
tenis
cells can
piens
be
yan
damaged
ini
in the body,
nebe ke bela
and there can be
negligible
legacy process of
ni hanis
aging.
yang ka
Then you have the mind uploading.
tipo
This
ida
is another
husi
important
regeneração
concept.
nebe ke
You
propõe
upload
terapias médico ini
sorry, you
nebe
upload
ke
the cells
aplaniada na coerentemente
from
il movimento nell'ara nera
traditional
Nemos
medicine
belle
to
repara pero
conventional
di
memory,
in relazione
because
to
thought,
estragos relata relazione to penuandi
is in your brain,
bai
not
ha
in the computer,
essere umano.
in some kind of digital immortality. So people believe, some people, that by 2045 we
Ma
will have
fia
digital
kata
immortality, and we will able to control our
2045
body.
é uma se
But
atinge a imortalidade digital, né?
another related concept is cryonics.
Tem a cryonics,
I'm sure many of our researchers
bionicos,
would know that what is cryogenic and what
dentro
is
da
cryonic.
tênis,
But
será
what
aquilo, né?
happens is that
Atualmente será uma acontecer, né?
there is
Maka
no alteration in biological tissue for thousands of years. These are the minus temperatures
ya
in
temperaturas
the brain,
criogênicos, né? Se
minus
na i
120,
ha alteração, se
120, that
a
even
tecido
for the
biológico,
process
né?
of
I ha
freezing
tina
the
rihum, nilaram.
what are the advantages of the for example cryonics? A complete organ or body can be preserved for hundreds and
Que
thousands of years,
vantagem se
and
nos
there is a
está,
strong
né?
belief that we will be able to
Yes, ada.
use such technologies that will be quite
Pero
effective
ano
to
sana, ne
preserve
iha
life.
fiar
I'm
ne
not telling
beke
you that this is the
forte
reason why
kata ka
even now
in
it's
futuro
very
ya
complex
lah
to survive.
tecnologia ya futuro se tecnologia
So
medicina ser
cryonics,
disponível a tu bela
somehow
sa
disruptive. We
área
talk
bedane
about swing ethics. Let's I'm not I want to discuss most of the advantages of swing ethics.
cryonics ni ne ni
Cryonics
etiknya
is very advantageous in some cases.
ni ara iha
But from a
vantagem
conservation perspective,
maybe ya perspectiva
if
etika vamos
cryonics is
considerar ne
cryopreserved
yang
in
se meida
some
copa
kind of
tu bele estraga
gas or in the liquid nitrogen or something. So
oh batida líquido rumah
becomes
sesang
submerged or
líquido
in oblivion. He is in the state of nowhere. He is nowhere. He is just freeze, and he is nowhere in this world. What will be it like to acclimatize to a new society? Now, for example, if you
por
preserve yourself
exemplo
and you want to revive after some 50 years or 100 years, so what will happen? How would you acclimatize to a new society? It's important. What
importante
will be in a stranger's land? For example, if you revive after 100 years, a century,
kita buat hanis yang
200 years later,
beleto
what happens? The
100
world
anos,
may have changed.
lalu 100 anos, 50 anos,
We'll be facing
ini
a
ligação
massive
ho
disconnect.
crayones
The knowledge
ini
and the scientific discoveries
relaciona ho
and the work that we have done
conhecimento no mundo
will be
descoberto
very fast
científico yang
and
ini
very
ah
climbing steeply. So
ia
there will
iha
be a massive
hari
disconnect
dia
in the knowledge.
esquecimento
When
ya
cryonics reappears,
yang mana
the
ia
knowledge will be
kalau tu yang halu hati ya
instantly
depois
available.
depois
And what other things? Many
kalau
believe that
ya
after 150 years,
adapta tu
your family is
klima
sort of a displaced or migrated to any other place.
armiti con la
You are able to
riconosce
join your tribe,
onde sa monta fu fale
and you emerge
idane
after 50 years
monta
with
depois de opera
autonomy.
imene
Then what will you do? Where will you go? And who will own you? Maybe your family just owns you there. How does one just plug and play back? Do we consider the human life as a
kalau kita
practice?
considera
You
kata
take
ka
up the university, you take it on,
mana nen
you have
para
some
ita tu bel opera kaya
let's say you are
masa itu monta buat
modifications in it.
organ balu
What
ini ba
part
per kita
of
opera
what
opera
part of
kan
your
ujar
family
itu
do
ke
you
mod
see, for
opera kan
example, that have preserved you, that owns you in a sense, becomes bankrupted, and it
jadi ita
owns
hari
you
yang
in a
kata
sense.
ka idane se ida emane sayang sampai
Who is the
hetang
successor?
falido kaya reduzido
Who
kaya
knows?
ini yang be funcionamento
What if the
ini yang
procedure
ini
is unsuccessful? What
nesta
if
se
you
idane
don't
acontece
survive entirely? So who
yang
responsible in that sense as well.
tema
So
responsável para
that
ini
question
a prosedur ne maka itare da Roma e
on
prosedur
this.
ne parcialmente ma successo
Now,
de
as I told you that there are now people are doing it. There are successful examples. There are examples that people are
ia
preserving their
exemplo
bodies, and this is from the
yang kata ema ne
UK.
bema
So
coco para avere
there was a girl in UK.
crionicamente
She
ya
fought
preserva nian isi hirani mate
down the High Court for preserving their body because she was
ne
not,
ne
and she was
preserva nian sa
insufficient, and she was not, on the
isi
verge
be
of
hirani
death.
mate
And she asked the authorities
tama
to
ba iha
preserve
sudi ya iha
like
mati
her
nebe ki
body.
malire
And
pa
she said
preserva
that
ni isi ni
being cryopreserved gives me a chance to be cured and woken up. What actually there is no treatment available now, and what she thought and what she think that in a 100 years time, maybe, and 150 years
dalam
time,
ni anu
maybe
ini kata
I'll be I'll woke up again. The
yang
I
tinang
will
atau
die
sila main
again,
este
and I will be
Boris
able
Filofale, Hadiari
the
Filofale,
genetic engineering or
pratica
process of
científica, ciência
technology
referem,
that will cure
tecnologia
the
referem.
cancer or whatever. Scientists have successfully preserved rabbit organs. This is just now a normal practice. The cryopreservation is becoming a normal practice, and we are doing it
Ini
on the
pratica
large
normal,
scale, like we are
iha
preserving the
life
organs,
skills
we are
ini,
preserving the
termos de organ,
proteins, etc. But now the world has moved ahead, forward, and now people
agora ema
are
iha
preserving
poder,
themselves. And here is that rat, where the girl is kept. And the girl is not alone, by the way. She has a company. Inside
ini
that
iha
company,
companhia,
the 14-year-old British girl, they named it, by the
desde
way, GS. They call, we do not know the exact name of that, but they call it GS. The GS
sudah
is
samaran
keeping five
GS,
other corpses in the hope that they will one day be revived.
kira kata ke
She
posisi
thought that
Boris Filofale,
it will be reopened only when staff they believe they can successfully revive the girl and
ini
successfully
se hanya
preserve
sampai
the body.
lo que Filofale ia tempo nih determinante.
Now, the other
Tare
approach
bai,
by cryonics, like I said, this is a strategy
roko de parti sin lolong yang balu nih be, ikan
you can now culture your organs, you can culture your
delle planta
body parts,
plantas
parts of
itu
blood
nih organ.
in vitro conditions. So biotechnology, whatever
Industri
part
bioteknologi ya,
defective, for example, if the heart becomes defective or the lungs become defective, you just go and
terus
grow
ya
it back,
clonagem, perfeitamente
whatever
da
is
sirene
defective,
biha
you just
nessa
put it
mesma
back.
clônica,
So this
clonagem
is
humana,
the
depois
most
o célula tronco, a cell
what are
índole,
the advantages, for example, in future, what they say
vantagem,
every
por exemplo,
person
em
will feel
futura,
that
tem
the individual
várias
brain will become
nessa coisa,
from
yang individual menjadi kutak se
and a new body will be
transplanta,
made for that
harus
that
si
body,
keminian dia isi lolong sebenarnya
and he
mekanisme
will be
minuan
reborn.
penuangan,
He will be
para
reborn
fazer a fome,
with the old brain and with the new body,
depois
and he will feel
niya
what
ho
he is
niya
living inside.
kutak
Artificial
ni be
organs will be
makatuan
no
to
longer
kung
sophisticated for
o isi ni be tuan o isi ni be
organs
fong
will be implanted.
di maka itu organ
Just go
artificial ni be
about your own way
implanta
and
uja
enough to think.
nanotecnologia ni niyan ja ferramentas ni niyan device ni be uja
If
niyan
you
be
imagine, for example, if you are
supply energia ya usi glucose
if you
dan
are a patient and
oksigen ni bahaya
believe
itu poder
there were if somebody teeth go out of order or something, they would replace it with wooden teeth or something, and then there is the age of artificial heart, and there is now artificially grown limbs. There is the age of the bionic, and it will
dari yang kata iha mudanças
using the
namoze
requirements we are given and when
evolução
there will
ini
be such kind
dari
of parts that you
presente
will
iha
find superheroes.
nehan ai
When
depois
you enter
parte
into
di
that
sinian
kind of a dilemma.
moza
Organ
parte
training is
dalam
another
troca
area
ya
where
atau
growing
sai superior que atau sai hanya
in
superhero ali
birth
depois
only for fun,
iha
only for using,
antes são órgãos
plus
namo
the use
estoque
to
armazenamento
commodify these
substância na barriga para não
systems
precisa ser pela
to
uja
harvest the organs. And where do we draw the line on such
ini
kind
masih
of
dia yang kata panen bayar organ
and
serni
are we
tapi
making spare parts for
hari
the human beings within
kita kari kita harus spare parts kira para spare parts sesuai eman ini yang be
and
partition lol
one other strategy I told
pesa
you
eman isin lol
initially
ini
that mind uploading is another concept. It's a concept of digital
ale
duplication.
depois upload by ha
There
maintenance
is some immortality in the digital world, right?
depois para itu hari by
Making a human being means
uploading ini significa kata kita scanning tudo ninian detalhes desse ema depois copy file file sira ba a substituição né mesmo do computador sai sai ia poder liu ia liu capacidade ni isso sai deh kahira mechanism main uploading ini permitido ia ponto sira bahir ida performa procedure
or what if he is, for example, living a youthful life, he's enjoying himself, and then he wants to, copy his brain to the computer, or
ema na kopia nini computer ni ni brain ni bahir computador ni
and how does the society and family prepares for the digital use?
Questa sociedade no família se prepara para ir digital, então pode levar se digital para
How would your family
pois
prepare
nessa
for
digital né nessa né
any kind of
atualiza
trauma? If that
hari que
happens,
medida acidentalmente não intencionalmente
something
apaga tia be upload nene kata kita nene kita bela bolo teme hane sambe oh gansa
as the technology involved, there will be update. Then there will be version 2.0, version 3.0, and how would we going to manage it? What if
cara me bela hala tu jere ida ne
intentionally deletes the upload? Can that become killing? So that also
hari
comes
kita ne
the
dari
killing,
sini
redefines the killing aspect. That you also, delete the content from the computational separate and
kita bos mas
living digital. Now, another
hari Pakistan
concept is
eh
about the cyber citizen. Some people say that these are the next step in the human evolution. The cyborgs, what are cyborgs? They are the human and machine hybrids, and we already have the humanoid robots, the Simo robots, the Honda Simo robots, if you remember.
ima
And
machine hibrido
this mobility that can walk, they can recognize the slopes, they can turn smoothly, climb the stairs, grasp objects. And now, what future research or what future robot, the humanoid robot may look like is that you transfer the status or the feelings to the robot. You transfer knowledge, experience, and emotional.
ya
What if a cyborg
emosional iha
is
experiência
able to think or able to feel emotionally, kind of. So these are the things. What are the issues? Should we be treating them as human when they get their updates on emotional capacity? Another problem. If there is a robot and he can feel, he can touch, he can tell you what to do, what he feels. So are we
Atin sa may tapos siya
redefining
halo
we should be redefining maybe human? Can continue to evolve, like I already said. It will keep on updating. They will be able to
kung
recognize
ato evolução na pati hani sa mapilitin na
and
sila bela
if you
ato
have to
bela
train a
hani sa
robot,
hal servisyo ho lalais lagi we
can do
nomos ho be dia kliu nomos
then
ho
what
be
will the people like
ho kusto ni pek lakaron ni
human beings? So what will be the
isu
role
isu
for
sa na
management?
may magyan eh
And cyborgs,
de
prosthetics, and then
dari cyborgs ni mos
what if
niya
religious
sa hani sa
division or this division based on the a cause, the black cyborg or the Muslim cyborg or the Catholic cyborg. So how are we going to manage
proteses
that? And some cyborg will be technologically advanced, some cyborg will be
sa
technologically
ita bela hala to deal ho
so
din eh
how are we going to deal with
are
that?
teknologi ba halo din eh
Other other issues. What will be the definition of being old? So we will be redefining old then.
definição
Should
se
in this
pai be
human
que
beings living for the
idade
sake
não
of
está
duration,
mas a titulisnya bela muda
or somebody is
vida
going to be
tarimnya ni
kind of not
hala
so
iha duração bebe maka
only
extensivo
or if he is living in the digital world. So how are people going to manage with him? And what point are we playing God? So are we the
internet
game?
problem is not so
Are we
clear
interfering too much in the nature? What are our funding priorities? And are we creating another divide?
na prioridade pundus niya ni
Those people who have technology, who are richer countries, becoming
kusir na bebe malahi
poorer
teknologi
countries becoming poorer.
teknologia
So
dari
then
termos
you have
da
to
divisão
deal
digital
with the eugenics.
riconokia
What is eugenics?
dari
Eugenics
eugenia
is
ni
equality.
ni melhora
Eugenics
hani
is not
human
equality
genetic
because
qualidades
of the Latin extension. That topic is closed there. But now we are getting more
agora
into eugenics.
aku lihat kona ba
Eugenics is what? Improving human
eugenic
genetic
eugenia
diversity. Eugenics is, by definition, the selection of the
seleção
kind, heritable
desa
traits,
host karakteristik ni be maka
genetically enriched
atu melhora a geração futura, né? Tipicamente, princípio humanos.
traits. That's what comprise of eugenics. What are the concepts in it? There are positive eugenics, where
Conceitos nessa eugênia positivo e eugênia negativo.
eugenic encourage people with the good
Positivo,
intentions
né?
to create the
Coragem, ema,
negative
olha,
eugenics.
gênios na bedia.
It reflects that
Ya,
we should decrease the undesirable
ida ni hanesan
genes from
ba
there.
ida nebe makla diak nini ni kriya buat ser nebe makla
How would you do that? It has
disko
a long history, by the way.
telah karak ya.
But we are not
Vida
discussing that
positivo ni ani,
how
ujung
to do it.
positivo ni ani ni dia
But you
hasai
can do it in a multiple ways.
karakteristik lebih
To
itah karak.
defy bad genes, you should, if for example, there is authority consider that now there is some bad gene of, for example, for color or for something which they consider as bad. They can, force some marriage restrictions, forced sterilization, or can do
Existão uma restrição rumah, por exemplo, se o governo
heritable,
queria,
marriages between those people that have, those traits or something. So it really redefines the social and cultural.
dia redefini
Pro
bagi
eugenics, what are the pros eugenics? The social responsibility and
ia responsabilidade social, ia pro higiene ni ani.
it's basically the concept is to
Ni
care
kalau
and
ba
intelligent people to save resource and humanity.
altruisticus,
What
uma
are the
postura altruista
downsides of
ida.
eugenics based on pseudoscience can lead to the
Ini
discrimination.
pro
If we
higiene,
drill
depois
down
contra
to the question of
higiene,
people
depois ia mais cara que
supporting
é clara
eugenics,
dele, não
at
está?
the question at the end of the
É contra nem higiene nem baseia
practical
a
concern.
ciência, não, mas
How
lida
can
a
we
discriminação.
in reference to eugenics? So there is a force of compulsion or coercion. If there is, if you are promoting
E
some
a preocupação ética,
bad
a
or
coerção, a
kind of bad
força
genes,
de
if
compulsão,
you are and if you are using some sort of coercion, some kind of force of compulsion, compelling the people to,
dah kerhalau be
use that gene and
compulsão be ema,
okay with
ini
everything.
ya direito a tu
But
produz
if it is
interferência, né?
interfering that and interfering by coercion, that is basically wrong. Then what are the and then what constitutes perfection? Subjectivity of perfection
Depois,
is
nessa subjetividade de proteção,
for
né?
example,
De
there
caracteres
is
saída
some
atribui a
good and another blue color eyes
proteção
people.
bem constituído.
Who decided this? So this is not perfection. The blue color eyes, the black color eyes, for example, whatever is the facial structure, whatever is the color. So it's
Minha
actually
cor saída de, por exemplo,
against the ethics, to declare something that is not you
itu declara de
as
buat nila.
bad. So it actually redefines the perfection. And then equality, fundamental inequalities, and you are trying to create
Igualdade é fundamental social,
create a people
ini
with
yang
genetically different, create
igualdade.
fairness and how to ensure equal opportunities for those whom desire. For example, there are other people from poor people or
Dizer
from
igualdade sim.
people that cannot afford that. So how will they achieve or how will they go for that technology?
Muito se revela a
And then another aspect,
tecnologia
society
refere.
can reject any aspect of its
E as
upbringing
espécies sociais maka
like the genes that
labar se revela rejeita
so how
aspectos
you
da
can
atu e tratamento ini hamang niya, nebe
for
ni
example
nunca atu rejeita ba genes
colors
nebe maka inama hilite ba niya na.
are we supposed to decide that our children or our coming generation should have
Ini geração pepun que
for
iha, por
example
exemplo,
black hair or for
exemplo,
example that
sila
brown hair
fogmita
or
rumah
something
depois
like what's called designer babies. I'll come later on
masa
that.
depois
And
itu
what is the
fale
human or
genes
is
o nebe
encompassing
hili husi nang aman.
human freedom in the sense of that which individuals
Jadi
possess
ida ni
is inherently unpredictable. But
controlo refere ba umano nene
despite nature is
tidak nebe
unpredictable.
maka
And if
latuir
we need to
hobe etika
predicting it, then
noção ética husi em relação ao liberdade humana ini ya sentido dene
knowing is another aspect, and
ida
I'm sure everybody is
identifica genetik ini tem que
most
inerente ka
knowing that we have a genetic code
impossível no la planeada.
that claims that that they have the ability to clone humans. That is a clonate, another
Jadi ini iha clonate ni sila bela halo
and
ya.
then eugenics
Habilidade sila
is
habilidade para halo ilmu cloning.
convergent sort of technology. There is the ethics of the nanoscience as well.
Ne éticas nomos nanociências ne uji duplo.
genetic engineering and the aging research. And what about the nanoscience? It is tied
Unsa
to
ko na
dual use
nanociência
dilemma.
ne?
How it has the dual use dilemma?
Mista idane iha
Well, you can
dilema uji
such an
duplo.
investment.
Ia
You
social
have some
injustiça ne ne.
or something
Iha melhorias de
that will
pessoas dia.
enhance your capacity
Pois hareba e
that will
preocupações toxiológicas.
eventually lead to become a
Iha
superhuman.
cenário, iha hari kan esse cenário de
Then here
mundo
you
ne.
have the toxicological concerns of the nanoparticles, and
Hari
the
dia nano etik.
I'll be talking on it in
Masih
that
kuliah
section.
kuno enough cenários ni masih kuliah
That's
kuno.
why the
Maka
scientific point in
cientista sira
will
iha
appreciate the nanoethics
hari kono ba nano etik ni mos.
to
Ne
solve or to discuss ethical dilemmas in nanotechnology. It has to do
hari
with
ba nanotecnologia ni
the
dilema ida.
advancing
Nebe
ability
ke lirime nebe uji
to talk
du ne. Ida ni uji tiona hasil literatura ida pra atu belle estaca kahile no enfatiza potencial no preocupações em termos de nanotecnologia.
standards to judge. How do we judge that? How to determine
Minha
potential
pergunta
risks?
se a tua resposta mais honesta, né?
3 days we kept on talking
Tarik
about
ihabe uji duplo ihabe pesquisira ne relaciona hobe uji de
that
materiais.
to have the decision. What is
Tarik
the
iha.
societal impact? What are the environmental safety
Pois
risks?
impacto vai has
Are we
sociedades ne o
getting
está, o
into
Estado determina quando o
like the
benefício
social divide,
potencial versus os
social
tibe
divide?
potencial de estragos ba ema.
Technological divide.
A tecnologia ira ne
Especially in reference to the developed and
ia
underdeveloped
divisão ne nano
the
lai,
regulation and
ia
enforcement.
regulamento que lai vai dane.
So here there is, like the toxicity of the nanoparticles. We and many people are working on that. But some women bred the fume.
Ima baru serviço trabalho ne ana. Respeito nebe makanisme ia hela suar nilarang patin nebe ia suar nebe. Nebe hanesan contém nano partículas nano ni mahir ni serviço de fábrica e de nilarang hela nebe.
Air
Por exemplo,
pollution also can be
China,
nanoparticles.
poluição
Environmental
airmos,
pollution size
itare
can
di
be
Antarctica, itare laho
nanoparticles,
ema,
are
ni
found
enfrenta poluição ar,
or in the
e
lungs
nanopartículas
the
ni.
diseases
Depois dani, bele transmite si pulmão, né?
smart
So,
diagnostics
iha circulação rang ni.
applications
Nomos poluição ar ni, hanis implica ti ona ba iha nano neuropatologia ni.
innovation at the unprecedented level. Same can be used to reduce the privacy. For example, there is a nano device, a nano camera that you cannot see.
Iha kamera, iha nano device suma, nano kamera suma, nano sensor suma nebe magbele halo observação nomos ba iha
Nano engineering places
halo be mista
nano in a crowded space
observação em níveis nebe antes de algo acontecer que
physical
sem
applications
precedente.
because you cannot see that as long as you cannot see it
Nabi ito label hari ini,
harming if for example if there is something that you inhale. Dual use dilemma, nanobioweapons. What is the delivery mechanism like in nanotechnology?
dua dilema uji duplo ni,
And it is so fascinating in terms of the delivery of a particular drug
kuno ba
or
armas biológicos, nano,
chemical or something,
se
to
hanisan
target
químico
the
ruma,
target site.
may
What
dani,
the nano-based tools are used for the delivering of the toxins and biological weapons.
nesan sa
Unmanned aerial
prestação mecânicos
nanobiweapons.
de ver que usa ba iha halo tok hako toxins que
People around
armas biológicos, servunya
you
es label hari, la hari heta no invisible si aero ni,
and
ya arletan.
will you do that? They will be quite potent as well. Nanoparticles keep
Tidak
on
ni acontece isil dolos no ambiente, nimos la iha pesquisa be educada,
effect of
la hari heta
there is
nanotecnologia.
also a nano
Nasa jahalo,
scientists, who want to
pois hanesa ito mure falo ban rasa nano ni,
particular
por exemplo, iha raise nuclear arms,
risk for the smart materials, smart weapons, molecular nanotechnology will limit the cost of producing armament. It will, you will
jadi
produce
molekular nanotecnologia este limite custo produzir armamentos quantitativos armas.
like the end of food scenario in the previous slide.
Ito tama iha slides berlibatkan ini. Cara mag-Griego, ilan ni sinaro ilan nebe maka scientist sira bolu sira mag-Griego ni. Ini from nano máquinas nebe mag-ele hanesa hetang programa. Represented preocupações ba iha sara fim do mundo nebe cenário fim do mundo nebe que ter hipótese ya. Ne chamada nessa ja Greco. Yang se consome o ser humano. Fortalece ba iha ba physical beings nene. Sensors nanos calls nene bela diseñada at melhora visão no Ronan yan.
What are the ethical concerns of genome editing? Ethical concerns of the genome editing is, for example, now about genome editing. What are the ethical concerns of the genome editing?
Genome ini editing ini. Na iha ikol ko na safety. Agreement nebe informado. Safety primary concern of target effect. Scientists claim that the CRISPR-Cas9 technology can give you some very precise and safe mutation, but now the research is showing that it can have some off-target effects. It can have edits in the wrong place, and not even off-target, but it can also have in-target effects. Off-targets maybe
it can cause mutations inside of the unwanted mutations on the site in which you are doing the engineering, and which you are re-engineering that. And mosaicism, when some cells carry the edits, but others do not. But
mosaicism ne mahira cellulose baru flora hela edit ba iya cellulose ne.
There is now one study related to the CRISPR-Cas9. Like I said, that
terus nabi
off-target mutations. One research group studied the embryos created with sperm carrying a blindness causing mutation in a gene called EYS.
Turu embryos criam spermas na belori tay mahalo matangat. Causa mutações iha gene nebe chamada hanesan pela H2 EPS proto-oncogene.
But what they have found when they were correcting the mutation using, they have caused the mutation, and then they will while they were correcting it,
Mahirap sir corrected ani. Dirahitang kataga.
during the process, and even the segments of the chromosome, and sometimes the entire chromosome.
Durante idane iha metade hus embryo teste lakong segmentos nebe ke luan husi chromosomes. Dalam rumah ini chromosomes ne tomak.
Another group studied the embryos made using sperm with a mutation that causes a heart condition. Now the previously was for the blindness, and this was for the heart condition. The team also found signs that editing affected large regions of the
Embryos nebe ke estudo ne halo sperma uja sperma ho mutação nebe causa filfale bahia condição fuamian.
It can cause a lot of other issues.
Bil causa problemas darat selutang.
Eventually cause more harm than a good. Then there is the informed consent.
Depois bahia informed consent ang sa ito po lihat yan. Kita terhetang ke aprovação informado, assistência informado, anesan sa afetado de edits, na que embryo nomo se a geração futura.
Get consent whether the baby that is born with the blue eyes, in which you have inserted
Sinabi mo siya matang azul. Tarik hanesan si halo cloning bedane
that's an ethical
tarik ini
discussion.
stabil gila ya. Ya
And at the
counter
same time,
argument
the
ya tarik
commentator
ya
also say that
berkata kina amas tira halo ti ona decisões para
about
kita basirni
about
futur na
the
basirni.
children, so there is no worry if if they edit their you know justice and equity is another aspect.
Ispiciano equidade
There is a concern that
iha
the
percussão
technology
katakan
will
tecnologia
be accessible to some specific people
acessível
or some
ba iha
people
parte balo
who can
ba
afford
ima
it,
balo e mundo
and
ni
the technology will not be available to the people
tema kartu
who
contra ni também
then
considerar a
we will
disponibilidade de tecnologia na
you
mídia
will be
se não
creating
mas acontece maka
and you will be creating a superior class of people. The superior will becomes more superior, and the inferior
e
cost of
superior
inferior
os
will become
superhero
more, or the not inferior but the underprivileged will
kalau
become
dalam laos
more
interior
superior.
maybe betul ni essa diferenciação ini
Then there are the GMOs. When we
eximos
talk about the genetic engineering or
boleh
the
kono ba
implementation. Now, what about
engenheiro
the
genético
heritable
ni
implementation the genetically modified
modificação
organisms? They can become a source of contamination, a genetic contamination.
e a
They can
contribuição
become
ba
a source
genéticos
in the if
iya
you
nama
have a group of the GMOs and you introduce to the
ia
environment,
introduzimos
then there is
ba
probability
ambiente
that they will have
e a probabilidade
with compatible relatives, and which
e
will
a relativos
what will happen is
compatível
it will
sexualmente
disturb the ecological relationships and behavior. It will
mos
increase the
iha altera
casualties on the
nosso comportamento nossa relação ecológica com as
relative
espécies
species or the
nativas
near species.
no modo
Then
competitivo vantagem competitiva vai iha
again
organismos nativos
will be more
esse
good enough to
permite
adopt. He will be the engineered one
ir
organism will be superior,
até
that will allow the
invasivo
competitiveness
ou habitar vai iha
of
habitantes
the engineered one. And that may what happens to the
causa
reason that it may increase the invasiveness to spread into new habitats. And if you know the concept of the invasive species, so it will in a sense
causa estragos
reduce
econômicos no mundo ecológico.
selection pressure will be increased on the species
Pressão,
that will be
seleção deve ser
engineered.
se iha
There will be
pressão
if
deve
there is
que
one of
target vai
the
não
genetically
tal
one
espécie
will
será
have
atau
sort of
adaptar como be mudança de bem introduzido
and the other one will be so it will in a sense at the end it will destabilize the ecosystem, and we don't
né
want
essência de estabilizar ecosistema
now. There is a study in which the GMO, the genetically modified organism, basically the herbicide resistant crops have been linked to the sort of decrease in population of the monarch butterfly. What happens if you know the concept? There are the herbicide tolerant plant which the farmers use, them for increased productivity and other and the monarch
explosão se
usually lay eggs on the milkweed. So
liposcides
this
uso
will
nek on plantas siran ne be maka monarcas
dissociate in the
e
field, and
senian
then
da
the herbicide tolerant
ex
plant
ya
survive.
senian be
Herbicide tolerant plant are
genéticos
genetically engineered to survive that the spray of the herbicide. On the other hand, there are the weeds like this milkweed. They do not survive it. When they do not survive it, it means that it destabilize the monarch butterfly because they lay egg in the they lay on the flowers or the milkweed. So what the science or what there are now reports that that the monarch butterfly, the population of the monarch butterfly is going to be extinct in the near future if we are kept using the herbicide tolerant, the genetically modified herbicide tolerant soybeans or corn in the future. Now, another related concept about
sebagai
biological
armas
engineering.
biológico
All of us really know what are the biological weapons.
será maka armas biológico
It's also called as a biological agent, a biological weapon, a biological threat agent, a
itu
bioagent,
belum bela agentes biológico
bacterium, virus, protozoan, parasite, centrifuge
bioagentes
that can use purposefully as a weapon in bioterrorism,
biológico
biological
pelo
weapons.
chamada nesse agentes
Then
ba
we
ihang
have the genetic
material fununian biológico,
the lethal properties of
armas
biological
biológico,
weapons,
e gani hanis ang virus kan sa bakterya,
we can enforce the
parasitos, que
vulnerability.
fungos, na ba magbeluja ba iha, objektif hanis yan sa
Also potential
armas
threat
biológico.
because it can focus on larger attack area.
Amia sa
This
potensyal sa bioterrorismo,
because these will biological weapons usually are in form of aerosols, so you cannot see them, you do not know
label hari ini telah hatin eh.
the initial event occur. And aerosolized bioagents are odorless, colorless, and tasteless, making it impossible to know that they are in the air and cold. Like you do not see if there is some aerosols of COVID-19, you do not know it. This same principle applies here, and it is easy production, inexpensive, knowledge is accessible easily. We will discuss it later in the slide. Use of biological weapons and conventional weapons depends on the goals of the terrorist. If terrorists want mass casualties, bio weapons are the right choice. So this is from one of the study that actually suggests that 50 kilogram of anthrax over an urban developed population of 5 million people would result in 250,000 casualties. And how can you deliver the biological weapon? It can be through aerosol, orally, water, food, etc. There can be many ways. Now earlier, Prof. Shinwari told about the death letters. So there are sufficient letters containing the anthrax spores sent to the president. No, these were actually basically the recent letters, not the anthrax that was sent to the president of the United States. I'll talk about it. What is actually recent, and similar events, anthrax spores have been sent to the different U.S. senators. Prof. Shinwari already talked about that. So this is
kulit ko na ba idani?
confirmation
Idani
that
informação ni ba sa FBI,
anthrax letters, about the anthrax letters. It is another issue, another concern of biological weapons. Umbrella
so na ba
killing, like we
biologist
talk
na
about
ang
the
kilo ni
anthrax
ito
letters
kulit ko na ba ni?
Obama, the famous umbrella killing of the Georgy Markov,
Amo sa umbrella
Bulgarian
killing ni?
exile. And what happens is the recent
Pero
usually
mga kontesi mag
this comes from the plant business communists.
ni may
Very
husti
potent weapon
business
called
prefere ni
toxin.
toxico armas
This plant
toxico
is usually readily available in our area.
disponível e área refere.
What happens was, using a tip of the umbrella and using a minute quantity of ricin isolated from the Rustic communals, they are able to, tip over the Bulgarian exile. So yeah, thank you very much. I'll end here. There are
Barak how finalize hani yatang rumah mabe jenis sem
previous slide,
utubot
thank you
sira
very much for listening.
slide obrigado Barak ba rona how
I
kari ke
will pause
perguntas
here
semua
and we will
how sini
next session. Now, after this question
ya
and chat, we will discuss
respon
30 minutes
perguntas
after a
sira ni
10 minutes break. So now, if you have someone over to Ainon, if there are some questions
si
about
ba ainon
our discussion, we will be happy to discuss.
ito diskusyon ni professor ba ainon